Top cloud models for QuickBooks Desktop. While QuickBooks Desktop is a powerful accounting software, its functionality is often constrained to a single physical location. This can inhibit adaptability, teamwork, and the ability to access it remotely, all essential elements in today's ever-changing business landscape. Fortunately, cloud models alleviate these restrictions by providing access from any location. Cloud models could be anything, from cloud-based storage of QuickBooks files to hosting your entire work environment on the cloud. Experience the convenience of QuickBooks Desktop Cloud Hosting. QuickBooks Cloud Hosting is a popular option for businesses that want to move their QuickBooks Desktop software and data to the cloud. With this approach, a hosting provider hosts your QuickBooks Desktop software and company files on their servers, making them accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Top benefits include convenience at your fingertips, uncompromised data security, seamless collaboration, less IT hassle, easily adaptable to your needs. QuickBooks Online. QBO stands for QuickBooks Online, a convenient and innovative software that operates on a SaaS, software as a service, model. Although QBO is a standalone product and not a cloud integration, it is based on the cloud, making it accessible from any device with an internet connection. Cloud storage. Using cloud storage with QuickBooks Desktop software for remote accessibility can be a convenient way to access and work on your company's financial data from anywhere with an internet connection. However, it's important to note that QuickBooks Desktop is primarily designed for on-premises use, so using it in a remote environment typically involves some workarounds. How do you choose a cloud model that works with QuickBooks Desktop? Assess your business's specific needs, budget, and IT infrastructure to determine the best cloud model for your QuickBooks Desktop, ultimately helping you streamline your accounting processes and stay competitive in the digital age. Here are some frequently asked questions to consider while choosing the right cloud model for your QuickBooks Desktop. Where should QuickBooks company files be stored? Can I store my QuickBooks files in the cloud? Can I put QB Desktop in the cloud? What are the limitations of syncing QuickBooks files with cloud storage? What are the costs associated with cloud storage for QuickBooks? So, take the time to discover the different cloud models, evaluate your specific needs, and confidently transition towards a more streamlined, collaborative, and forward-thinking accounting environment.